Want to automate your data extraction with Browse AI? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to schedule automated data extraction using Browse AI so you can save time, optimize your workflows, and make sure you're pulling accurate data when you need it, all on autopilot. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let me quickly mention that Browse AI is a powerful tool that allows you to extract data from websites even without any coding skills. It uses AI-driven technology to turn web pages into structured data, which is perfect for businesses that need to track competitors, gather market insights, or even monitor specific products and trends in real time. Now let's get into how you can schedule automated data extraction with Browse AI. You're going to want to use this feature to automate the process of grabbing data at specific times. Here's how you can do it. Once you've signed up for Browse AI, which you can do for free using the link below, log into your dashboard. The first thing you'll need to do is set up a new robot. A robot is what Browse AI uses to scrape the data for you. You can set up your robot by simply selecting a template that fits your needs or manually setting up the data points you want to capture. After your robot is ready, scheduling your data extraction is the next step. From your dashboard, look for the schedule option. This is where the magic happens. You can choose to run your robot at daily, weekly, or custom intervals, depending on how often you need to extract your data. Let's say you need to monitor prices on a competitor's site every day. You can set it up so your robot fetches that data for you without you lifting a finger. Once you've selected the frequency, you'll also have the option to choose your preferred time zone and exactly when you want the data extraction to happen. This ensures that your robot fetches the information when it's most useful to you, like when the website updates their data or at the start of your workday. What's great about Browse AI is the way it handles the process. You don't need to worry about manually refreshing pages or dealing with errors in your data. Browse AI's AI-powered technology ensures that the data is pulled correctly, even if there are changes to the layout or structure of the website you're scraping. Plus, the scheduling feature will handle this automatically for you, so your data is always fresh and accurate. Now, you can sit back, relax, and let Browse AI work for you. It's really that simple. This makes Browse AI a game changer for digital marketers, researchers, and business owners who want to automate repetitive data gathering tasks without the hassle. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can try Browse AI completely free right now using the link below. Plus, we've partnered with Browse AI to offer you an extended trial with exclusive bonuses so you can experience all the powerful features this tool has to offer. So whether you're new to Browse AI or just need a refresher on how to schedule automated data extraction, this tool is exactly what you need to simplify your digital marketing efforts and data collection process.